Forex trading can be an exciting and lucrative opportunity, but finding a trustworthy broker is crucial to your success. In this video, we'll be taking a detailed look at icmarkets, one of the most popular Forex brokers in the industry. icmarkets was founded in 2007 and is based in Australia. They are regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, which is one of the most reputable financial regulators in the world. icmarkets also has a license from the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CSEC, which allows them to operate in the European Union. icmarkets offers a wide range of trading instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. They offer both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are highly regarded in the industry for their functionality and ease of use. icmarkets also provides its clients with access to a range of educational resources and market analysis tools. One of the standout features of icmarkets is their customer support. They offer 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat, which is essential for traders who may need assistance outside of regular business hours. Their support team is highly trained and knowledgeable, which is reflected in their excellent customer reviews. icmarkets offers 3 different account types: Standard, Raw Spread, and ctrader. The Standard account has higher spreads but no commission, while the Raw Spread account has lower spreads but a commission per trade. The ctrader account uses a different trading platform and has a commission per trade, but also has the lowest spreads of the 3 accounts. icmarkets offers a range of deposit and withdrawal options, including credit debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. They do not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals, and most transactions are processed within 24 hours. Overall, icmarkets is a reputable Forex broker with a range of trading instruments, excellent customer support, and competitive pricing. While there are some drawbacks to their service, such as higher spreads on the Standard account, we believe that icmarkets is worth considering for both beginner and experienced traders. Then the link to register to open an account will be below the description and comments of this video for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this icmarkets review has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.